Alright guys, somebody wanted me to give a small walk around of an Assassin 36. I happen to have one in my garage. I don't use it as much now, really because I don't have the kind of space to put it on my deck. I will when I move, but I don't right now. So I have it in my garage. So I just want to give you a walk around of it. It's kind of similar to the 72 that I have on my trailer, but this is the 36 inch. So let me start with the firebox. I don't know if you can even see it. You know what? Let's start up here. Temp gauge, of course. Small stack right there. One single stack. Now you can get the stack on the left. On the left or the right. This is kind of like the first model they had. You've got a spring right here for the door. Hold the door up. You've got an insulated door. You've got a nice seal on here. They don't leak much at all. And it's 2-rack system. Not quite sure what the bottom rack is, but I will tell you this: you can certainly put a whole foil pan in there, certainly, and you can definitely get about 2 briskets on this one. I think the most briskets I've ever gotten in this 36 was 3. I had 2 at the bottom and then 1 laying across the top. Of course, the rack on the bottom, on the top, is much smaller. But I mean, if you're cooking beans, half pans of beans, you can certainly get 1, 2, 3 half pans of beans in the top, no problem. And like I said, you definitely get 2 briskets at the bottom, and more than likely, I think you can get about 6 butts at the bottom as well. But this thing's a lean, mean cooking machine, man. When I got this one, they were going for $500. I think they're much higher now. I took this one actually to the World Food Championship in Vegas and scored a 2nd place brisket on this thing. Out of some of the best cookers in the world. So this thing right here can cook, man. Well, let me open it up again. Let me show you something. Over here you've got, I don't know if you can see, it's a 3-rack system. You've got your ash pan at the bottom. And excuse all the junk, man. This is in my garage. You've got your charcoal tray here. And this one also comes with a water pan. I took the water pan out. But you can also get a water pan on here as well, or you can run the V-pan system. But you can certainly, the water pan on this one I think is a good deal because it's so small in size that if you're going to smoke briskets or butts or stuff like that, that water pan really comes in handy. I never put water in it. I always put foil pans in it to hold water, but that system is pretty good. And it's a slide-in system. Then of course you've got your damper on the side door. Little handle, and you got a latch system to latch it down in place. And that's that one. And then over here, this is the water pan that goes with it. Again, I took the water pan out. Let me get that out of the way. I took the water pan out. That's the water pan that you can get with it. And then this is the V-pan that you can get with it always. Also rather. The V-pan I've always used for like my grilling situations. Allows you to get some good smoke and heat through these slits right here without actually the flame hitting your meat. Or you can go to the water pan system if you're going to do low and slow. But I'm going to tell you, this Assassin 36 is a cooking machine. It is a cooking machine. This is the first version of it. Like I said, they're a little bit different now. 2 latch systems up here, you know, to tie it down. And then the back of it is just flat. But it's a cooking machine, man. So that's the walkthrough of the Assassin 36. I haven't used this one probably in probably like a year. I actually bent the leg on it, so I've got to get this one repaired. But my plan is to actually put this one on a trailer with my Lang 48. So I'll have a smoker on one side and then this Assassin 48 on the other side to do some quick grilling or whatever I need to do with it. Because to me, it's super versatile. You can grill and smoke on this thing, no problem at all. And it don't burn a lot of charcoal at all. So that's the Assassin 36, man. I hope this helps. You got any questions? Leave a comment at the bottom. Yeah, boy!